Kublai pi baro shakatup Khuborjylla ke donbosco media network. Mat ke bakong san mentara sngi kilong. Di umentri rangba ya ke CFI Center Hanong Lum Umroy. Dagata masa pukni amur en penlong hatemri poi. Gular UCM ban shimkia ya ki mat jingdawa ke sning town dorbar. Ban Hapo arpusan sngi pendep ki aktor Telugu ban ring film ha Meghalaya. Bat mentang ini apai syaki Khubor ki bakham bania. Menteri Rangba konrat ke sangma hakajing dan lang uba daman bat lamare MLA James ke sangma chairman MIDC Dr. Shaji Thomas CFI board member PJ Matthew bat ki palba kan ke Shillong ulapli patba ya ke Caring for India CFI Center Hashnong Nonglum Umroy Ribhoi district hak arpu tarik Naiwieng hapedeng ke jingkemen ke bakrau na ke benta ki patba kan ke than. Ka CFI ka ajing hikai yagi Samla kenthei bat shinrang ban pentibit hakikam sumar nongpang nurses bat menteri rangba ulai yaro yaki mati bat jing penno bha kani ke center ban te yaki Samla jong kani ke Jylla. Menteri rangba ulai thu ka jing dawa na kiri ke perthei ban aikam yaki nos na Meghalaya kalong ka bajur hadu kata-kata. Ulaya thu ke Jylla kadang penkre hadu 8,000 ngut kinos na kisnam ban wan ban pha treyeki haki hospital ki badon haki wepat kiri ke perthei. Ulaya thu kinos ki batrei menta ha Japan bat Singapore ki wanra jingmentoi Naiwieng lasem amduna yaka saw point prak lur tengka man usnam. Menta ka Jylla kan sapha yaki nos Shari Germany ulaong. Kiwei pat kibakran hakane ke jingelang pli kilong uba daman bait lamare MLA bar kinong penya jang ke CFI Center Nonglum. Kumshi benta banang penpau perthei ya ke jing pau nam ka them Terso Valley bat tengam hathain mau hati na ke jing wan no khndo bashipor jong ki pukni amur falcon man la usnam ha ka jinga lenti jong ki na kaliang ka kunhun group hanglang tourism promoting society. Hakajing trailang bat ka 7 Huts production kan sa penlong ya ka tamasa Amur Falcon kaban sedang hakasan tarik bat rio tarik nopra arhajar arpusan hasnong tengam Ribhoi district. Habakran shikilat pathai Khubor uba Daminot Siliang President ka Group Hanglang Tourism Promoting Society hakajing dan lang uba Aiban Suklang Nongrum Secretary bat uba Jershom Dekhot ka kunhun kilapan benar perthei ba ya kani ketamasa en sedang hakasan tarik nopra bat en penkut pat hakah driu tarik nopra. Kilaya thuru hakini arsngi kindon kita masa ba pher kiban penbernya kiba kentup ekijing yakop tem jong ki kenhun ruai Battle of Band kajing yakop marathon na kabenta ki kerdan ki balahe kajing yakop nya bicycle lembat ki wei kijing yakop. Hakani kata masa kindon ru kinong ruai ki pau nam jong Jylla ki ban wan ban penshongshit hakini ki arsingi. Shu kilaya thu yakani kata masa en penlong kumshi benta ban kentiu yaki kam jngok kai perthei haki dong bat ki thain mau hati Constituency bat hathemri bhoi barok away. Kathemri bhoi kalong ka bariu spa na ka jingdon ki wa ki ba internet ki pentha ba ithiang ki krem pubon ba jiliu bat hajar jat ki sim ki do bat ki marat klau babun jan. Kani ka kenhun kathmuru ban penne pensa bat penroy yakini ki spa mariang baka distrik hi barok away kadon naga benta ki jingmentoi jong ki longdin bandang wan. Dakani katamasa pukni amur kinong yalam ki kermen ban kentiu yaki kam jngok kai perthei hakani ka distrik.
Ni ban pentip ba shapi ba nakaliang ga group hanglang tourism promoting society harangkat ka jinge trelang bat ka 7 Hut productions ngin penlong ya ka ama Falcon festivals haka san bat ndru trik December arajar apsan hakasnong tengam Ribhoi district Meghalaya ka jing thu jong ka society jongi kalong ban kentiu ya ka tourism ladangi ngin pai haki bayadai bat ki saudong saukun jong ka thain bat kisnong jongi kidon shibun kispa kiba buri jong kamariang kiba ngimpat pentip dan ngimpat explore bah dumta kidan giba syaka perthairu ngidan kamban pen ban ya kini ki jing itnat ba jing I shongkun ke jong kya te ngidan ru ki wa amyam ki wa am siang wa am khen but kidan ru hakal lagi ki krem ki kro ki badan la ka jong ke jing itnat ke jong ki te kumi kini ki eki berkhoi ngidan kam kidang long on tap kebun syong no te ngidan kam ban promote ngidan kam ban yakren hakmno ban pentiu ya tourism lembah jong kini te ki culture ki bam tnrai ki jong iru but ki kidan ke potential ki babiang bah na ka benta ban yakren hagni ka phang joka tourism jong ni ka than pakadong ka jongi te phai khmat khandiat chpai dei bat kani ka ama falcon festival inyo ka jing batai khandiat nakaliang I present I jongi iban ai ya ka jing pentip habai dei baka program jong ni ka festival day 1 baka D2
Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Konrad ke Sangma haka arphawai tarik Naiwieng ulawan yuk kejat ha Sning ribhoi distrik bat ulai yat ru daka kejat nalat Jagi Road shadu yau Sning bat la penlong ya kajingelang ha auditorium Town Dorbar Sning. Hakani kasngi kinong yalam joko Sning Town Dorbar. Kila penpau shibun ki jingdan kam ha Menteri Rangba ubala kular ban shimkhia wat lada amla ban penurlong ya baro ki jingdawa ya kumni mentah. Kimat jingdawa balabu hakmat Menteri Rangba da chairman Sning Town Dorbar ba Rocky Kela kilong nagabanta ka roy kapa bat ka jingbit jingbiang jong kipat ba kani kathan baro kawe ki jingdawa bakongsan kilong banyo ya ka scientific solid and waste management ka gallery stadium ban penbha ya ka madan yelekai ha patarim ban ker ya ka jaka ba shipau akar jong ka Sning Town Dorbar ban wanra ya ka fire and emergency station ha Sning ban shna ya ka parking lot ka market complex ban penbha ya ki surok bat ban penbha brew ya ka surok Sning baro kawe habakran ha kani kasngi Menteri Rangba ulapan pau ka jingkmen ban yamir jingmut lang ya ka baha kamiat bat karoi ka pa jong ki pat pa kani ka jaka ula kular ban shimkhia ya kini ki mat balawanra da ka Sning Town Dorbar hakani ka jingwan jingo jong Menteri Rangba ya ka Sning la sakhi lang da Dr Celestine Lingdo MLA ba Charles Marngar MLA chairman Sning Town Dorbar ba Rocky Kela ki officer bat ki wei kiri Rangba bat ki pat nong shong shnong jong ka than Sning.
But I do this in a program called CM Connect. What we're having today is actually CM Connect. Many difficult questions are asked and all the department officers are sitting right there to reply and I'm there of course to back them up in whatever way possible. So it's something that we have been doing for a long time. And the reason why we do this is because we as politicians, especially the three of us present out here, the biggest complaint against us as politicians is what? That politicians only show up during election. Correct? That is the biggest complaint. And that is what we want to change. We want to give the message to the people. I mean, election is 2 years away, 2.5 years almost away. We have a long time. There is no need for, as per the convention of politicians and elections, there is no need for Chief Minister to walk through Sning market area on the road. There is no need. You would see Chief Minister doing that before election. But we are doing it now. And there's a reason why we're doing it. The reason is because we genuinely care. We genuinely care. We genuinely believe that the public and God has given us this opportunity to serve the people. This is what we believe. And that's why, even though I cannot solve every single problem that comes up, let me be very, very frank with you, I cannot. But that does not mean I run away from the problems. I must face them. That is what I have been selected or elected to do. Dr. Baum must face them. But Charles and all of us must face them. And that is the reason why we are here today. We are here, as I said, because we believe that we are here to serve each and every citizen of our state. And we will do our best to ensure that we have a very, very good meeting. I have spoken to the Commissioner Secretary Sports. We have already had a discussion in the last 3 hours. And I can give you the assurance, as I said, right here, right now. We have 2 years, so therefore I cannot run away from it. So I'm giving you the assurance that the fencing and the VIP gallery will be implementing it immediately. So, and at the same time, the basic grass that has to be grown, it may not be the quality that, say, we have in Jain Stadium right now, because that requires a lot of drainage and other things. But so that the sports person are not hurt and are safe, we will try to improve the ground also. But fencing and gallery, VIP gallery, is something that we have already decided. So that's one thing. To speed of light only, that we just were there at the junction when I got down from the vehicle, right? And the town Dorbar officials were there with me, and they told me that the Nala has to be made and the Nala has to be cleaned, and that road that goes towards Mohati, there has to be drainage being made. And I talked to our engineer Lalu from PWD. So he told me that it's about 1.5 or 1.8 crores something. File is there, and it's on the table of Deputy Chief Minister in charge PWD, and we need to move on this.
Kelab kaloi. Kani ke perthai mobile mentan ni. Tinteng saya alam berkelahi. Dari mana irma? Nak kata kadang aku am nong ipi. Long ki besta, bishar baha, husiar baha, but shua bapin la pinrai ya karai ki joki. Dapusang. Yo kawan kecing topi. Aku aban pin mau ipi, kan mau Khubor non train mahe si ong inga kumni. Wat kelab ban ong kublai. Bat kabaahan nyau ki jingker ko. Ni dik altli ki poin ba ku aban kan mau ipi. Bang yimdei ban kelab ya ki balale bahai ni. Pikularan? Dr. Bom mandang ni Shillong ngaru. I work together with Dr. Bom. Most of the time I'm here in Umsningsa. My village starts from the CLC. So we always together, we will work together. I'm very close with Umsning Constituency, and many students from my constituency, they come to study here in Umsning. So once again, thank you so much, sir. Dr. Bom.
Kawai ka plim thamai na Telugu. Kala pendap hapo arpusan sngi ya ka jingring plim Jylla Meghalaya kamtam hakitan sora. Umentri rangba konrad ke sangma ulaya thuru bakiladon hadu kumba hajar ngut ki Samla kenthei bat shinrang ki bala shimbenta ban yarab bat kershan ya ki jingdon kam baro hakapor badang ring ya kani ka plim.
Under the Meghalaya film policy, the first movie has been completed. This is a Telugu film shot within 25 days, and 100% of the shots or the shooting took place right here in Meghalaya, mostly in Sora area. And you'll be happy to know that close to 2,000 of our youths, our local boys and girls, were employed during the shooting of this particular film. I'm very happy, and I hope that many more such films will come, and Meghalaya will become a very popular destination for this. And I have with me Mr. Venu, who is the producer of this movie. Thank you so much. How was the experience?
It's been great experience under your leadership and the beautiful people of Meghalaya. We are able to complete a Telugu film of this scale in less than 30 days. Which is actually around 25 days, as you rightly said. So, which is going to be record by itself. and this film is going to be released in Kasi as well. So, and we would like to invite you for a red carpet premiere.
Namar ka jing kerdu umbam umdi hakishnong bapher ki bahab ha umsneng taun dorbar bat kabala wanra jing e shikade e ekipal ba hakite kishnong kilong kumi na kishnong bapher ki bahab ha umsneng taun dorbar kilapen sngo sundan markmat ha menteri rangba ka Jylla kontrat ke sangma yakini ki jing e jongki ha ka jing lang kabala long ha ka arpuai tarik Naiwieng ha auditorium taun dorbar umsneng Tang Maria yo sngo yakini ki jing ud jong kilong kumi. Menteri rangba ulakhot Sharon San ya executive engineer PHE Omsning division ban batai bat penshai ya ki daw jong ka jing kerdu bam di hakani kathan. Menteri rangba ula betharu ya engineer ban lum jingelang ya ki he ka PHE ban penbiang no mardor ya ka bam di habaro kishnong ki bahab ha Omsning town dorbar.
Regarding the Jal Jeevan mission, I just want to brief sir here that the Jal Jeevan mission is being disturbed because of the western bypass. There has been series of inspections, sir. Together with Sir DC also, we have been there, and recently also we have done major repair work regarding the old lines. We have taken up old abandoned lines, sir. And
So, what is the disturbance? Is it the source? Or is it the pipes that have been broken? What is the problem?
The disturbance is the source, sir. The main
What happened to the
Basically,
source?
sir, the earth cutting that is taking place because of the construction of Western Bypass, that earth, because of the, recently past monsoon season, that has flown a lot into the source, as a result of which the water has been polluted beyond a certain desirable limit.
No, so what is the solution? Are you going to tell me that we get a new source? Or we put up a water treatment plant? Or we have to clean up the pipes? What is the problem?
Because the source is from Meghalaya, sir. It's very far, it's around 70 kilometers. And the main source, the Meghalaya source, has been totally choked, sir. Because of the project which has been carried out in Naiwieng, right from Naiwieng, from these khasinews, that all the debris has been collected. All the debris is being collected to our Omsning source, sir. And the pipe which is being conveyed from there, the 12 mm dia pipe coming to our Omsning town, the whole pipe has been choked, sir. We have been taken up so many times with the NEHU. We have done a series of inspection with them, sir, because it's a very long line. We conveyed, it's totally choked. So, sir, we have taken up with sir also, sir. The sir and our senior officials also have been to the site. We have taken up with NEHU also. So that especially during monsoon season, it's so choked, the whole pipe is being choked, sir. We have tried manually, we have tried with JCB to clean the pipes also, but that is the main problem we are having, sir.
So what is the solution?
One of the solution was the old.
What is the step?
We have taken up with the NEHU, sir, to JCB also, they have cleaned, especially during rainy season, sir. Once it rains,
It's not raining now, so what is the way?
But the whole pipe is being choked, sir, throughout the thing.
But now, sir, what Honorable CM sir is wanting to know is, now there is no more rain. How can we, basically...
How can we reactivate the supply?
What we can do now is, sir, we have to, the whole line we have to clear, sir. The NHS, if they can, the whole line we have to clear, sir, and the source also, right from this khasinews source, sir, that has to be cleared, sir. So that is the major challenges we are having, sir.
And that can be done by your department, or will it have to be done by NHIDC?
From NHIDC, sir. From our departments, we have used the things, sir, to change the line.
No, so when NHIDC started working on this, weren't they aware of this? Why wasn't something actually taken against
Actually, it became, sir, multiple district issue. While the effect is in Ribhoi, the cause of action is in East Khasi Hills. So we caused multiple inquiries, we sent our ADCs, PHE also.
Badagi tu ki Khubor ngilapoi shikabakut tarhadu bangindaya syambiang Khublei Shibun.